Hey y'all. So I was just thinking y'all might want to see how I make guacamole. So I'm gonna make some right quick because I got this avocado that I need to use before it go bad. So you take the avocado. Hopefully y'all can see. Okay. This is a little jackfruit. We'll open that one day, maybe tomorrow, so I can show y'all what that look like. Okay, so take your avocado, and I washed it off. Always wash off your avocado, the outside. We'll see what we got. Oh, it's nice looking too. Ooh. It's real soft. I didn't know if I had lost it or not, but it's perfect. Nice and soft. We're gonna scoop out the inside. All right. Don't throw this away. And then we're gonna, oh, I was gonna show y'all a trick, but it didn't work. But anyway, all right. Okay, so you got your holes, your shells. This one kind of tore up a little bit, but it don't matter. We're gonna still keep it. So you're gonna keep both your holes. All right, so next, just mash up everything. Fix this camera so you can see better. Next, we're gonna take the tomato. I don't like tomatoes that much, but not unless I'm doing guacamole, then I like it. But anyway, I got a tomato, and I washed this off too. Just wash your produce these days, y'all, because you just never know. I know I ain't slicing this right, but this is just, it's just the way I'm gonna do it. And you do it the way you like. Usually I don't do it like this. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm just wilding. But anyway, I'm just getting it cut up. Oh, I hope I don't cut myself. I'm out of control. You can tell I ain't used to doing no cooking video because, honey, I just be all over the place. And you know, this little mealy part of the tomato, I don't like that for some reason. I'll just throw that out. If I had my cutting board out, I would just use that, but I don't. Where is it? There's no telling. It don't matter. It's just me eating it too, so. And I wash my hands and stuff, but. All right. So we're gonna cut up. We got our tomato cut up. All right. Oh, these some big chunks too. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. That's why I need my cutting board out. I should just get it. But I'm not, and the reason why I'm not is because if y'all know me, y'all know I haven't learned how to edit yet. And if I go get that cutting board, this video gonna be long. I'm just rushing, child, trying to hurry up. All right, so we stir this up. Mash, mash, mash. All right, so this is what you got so far. So this would be like a little chunky guac. Then I had a onion that I had yesterday. Now, usually I would use a red or purple onion, but I don't have a red or a purple onion. And I really would like to use what I got. You know, just to not be wasteful. So I'm gonna just use this white onion. And I don't even know if I've ever used a white onion before. I ain't gonna put that much in here either. So I don't know. I mean, in my mind, I'm thinking an onion's an onion. I just really want that flavor and a little crunch. I just started eating onions about 2 years ago. You know how your taste buds change as you get older? When I was young, I was like, I don't want no onions. But honey, now, you let Cookout not put onion on my burger, forget to put that onion on I'm going right back around to the drive-thru window. And I can't even hardly eat a burger without onions now. All right, see, coming together. All right, and now we're gonna take lime, cut this lime, get your lime. If you don't have lime, I have used lemon before, and this will work fine. Hold on. Let's see, so we're just gonna put a little lime juice in there. This will give it a little citrusy kick that it needs, but it also preserves the green color so it doesn't turn brown quick. I'll get you some good lime juice. You know what? And that's really it. The only thing now we gotta do us some salt and pepper. A little pepper. And a little salt. Let's see. Now, usually what I do now, I'll do it after we finish. I'll take it out of this bowl and put it in another bowl. I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Just because I don't like eating out of the bowl that I made it in for some reason. And that's when I do it almost any type of food. Got you some pretty guacamole. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? I got me some chips. Let's taste it. Yeah, I got a feeling I'm gonna need a little bit more salt, but we're gonna taste it. It looks good though. I do need a little bit more salt, which I thought I was, but a little more pepper. Actually, squeeze a little bit more lime juice too. Now let's see what we got. It looks delicious. I know that. Let's see what we got. This is good. That's good. That's good. Now, remember I told you to keep the shells, the hulls? If I figure out I'm not gonna eat all this, you take it. This is just for, I'm showing you what to do. Put it back in here, like that. You take this and use it as a lid, and you put it over it. It won't turn brown. That's a good hack, and it works, and it'll keep. For actually, I've kept mine for 2 days without getting brown in the refrigerator just by keeping it in the original shell. So, yeah, try that. And I'll see y'all later. We're gonna come back and we're gonna cut this dragon fruit later. And so y'all can see that it's a natural laxative too. And it works. And if it works on me, it'll work. Give it a try. Cause I'm a hard patient. But anyway, all right, we'll talk to you.